In this video, we are going to learn how we can format pivot table data value. To format pivot table data value, there are two ways. One way is to select complete data value. Like in this case, I am selecting K6 cell to O13 cell. Then go to Home tab and in that go to Number section over here. Then click to Accounting Number Format. And in that, select Currency Sign. But wait, there is one problem with this way. If our pivot table data has increased, then what? We have to do it again. So to get off this problem, second way is suitable for us. First select any cell from pivot table data, like I am selecting K6 cell. Then go to pivot table data field. Over here. As I want to format value, so I will go to value section over here. In that there is an option called sum of cells. This one. Just click to sum of cells. We will get many options. In that click to last option, value field setting. The moment we click value field setting, new window will appear in front of us. In that we can change custom name as per our own requirement over here. Then we can select the type of calculation we want for our data. By default, it is there sum over here. And last option is called number format. Just click to that number format. New window will appear in front of us. As we are changing currency, so I will click to currency option. In that we can change decimal place over here. We can increase and we can decrease. We can change currency symbol over here. Click this side down arrow. We will get many options. We can select as per our own requirement. I am selecting Indian rupee. After doing all this, just click OK. Then again click OK. The moment we click OK, all the amount change in proper manner with currency sign and decimal place over here. So like this we can format value in pivot table. Do some practice in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video.